You will notice this year when you look at the library computers that Destiny looks a little bit different. That's because we've upgraded to Destiny Discover. You can see here at the top, Destiny Discover, our school. Destiny Discover gives us the options of seeing right at the top. We can see any new books in the library, recently added books. Over here I could pick See All to see all of those books. Shows me whether they are in or out. Shows me popular titles. And I can also see if they are in or out. If I click on Ghost, I could see more about it. Here it shows me it is out. It also gives me more information, reviews, and a little summary of the book. I can close that. I can also browse by topic. So if I knew I was looking for a fantasy book or a historical fiction book, I could click on one of those. If I clicked on historical fiction, it gives me the historical fiction books that we have in the library. If I click on Destiny Discover, it always takes me back to the home page. If I want to search for a book by title, subject, author, keyword, or series, I'm going to use this search bar here. You no longer have to specify and tell the computer which you are searching for by clicking those buttons. You just type it in and hit enter, and it will try to figure out what you are searching for. So if I wanted to look for a book, if I was interested in Diary of a Wimpy Kid, I'm going to type that in. And I'm going to hit enter. Check my search options. I'm going to apply for series. Set my options again. I know we have Diary of a Wimpy Kid books in our library, so I'm going to take it back to the beginning. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. All right, so if you ever get stuck and you know it's a book that should be here, click Destiny Discover at the top and go back and search again. Here we have all of our Diary of a Wimpy Kid books listed. It tells me whether they are in or out. I can see the call number, so I know where to go to look for it on the shelf. All those books are listed. If I wanted to look for a nonfiction book by subject, I can delete that. So I want to look for a book about dogs, I can search dogs, click enter, and see all the books about dogs that we have available. I can page down through those. If you notice here, I can see that these are pink dot by the PD before the call number, and also that they say pink dot section, so I know which section in the library to start looking. I could go through and decide which of these dog books I was looking for. When you are done, you can always click back on Destiny Discover to clear it for the next person, and then go ahead and take your browser and go look for your book on the shelf.